In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your content creation using the Content Calendar template in Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, having an organized content calendar can be a game changer in keeping your projects on track. Today, we'll walk through the steps to set up your own content calendar board effortlessly. We'll begin by creating a new board using a template. Don't worry if you've never done this before. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you every step of the way. First, you'll want to navigate to the plus icon. You'll find this icon on the left panel, conveniently located next to the name of your current workspace. Clicking this will allow us to add a new item to our workspace. Once you've clicked the plus icon, hover your mouse over the option labeled Board. This is where the real magic begins. You'll see an option appear that says Start with Template. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is open the Template Center, a vital resource within Monday.com that offers a variety of pre-made board templates for different purposes. In the Template Center, you'll see a search bar. This is your friend for finding exactly what you need. Here, type in Content Calendar. This search will yield the specific template designed to help you manage your content creation process. Look for it, and once you've found it, select it by clicking on Use Template. Once you've clicked that magical button, your new board is created based on the Content Calendar template. What you'll see now are placeholders, a guiding framework showing different sections and ideas on how you might want to use the template. It's important to understand that these placeholders are just a starting point. They are there to inspire you and give you an idea of how to best utilize your new calendar. Now comes the fun part, customization. It's entirely up to you to edit these placeholders. Think about your specific content management needs and start replacing the placeholders with your content tasks and schedules. Maybe you want to change some of the categories, add your deadlines, or perhaps even assign tasks to different team members. Every edit makes this calendar your own, tailored uniquely to fit your project needs and streamline your workflow. And that's it. You're all set to begin using your brand new customized content calendar. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, managing your content creation process will be more organized and efficient than ever. Thank you for following along in setting up your content calendar board using the Content Calendar template in Monday.com.